Hi everybody, I'm about to go on a trip with Talullah and I'm packing up my van, and I thought I would just give you a couple little tips. I'll show you the van afterwards after I clean it up a little bit, but because I'm packing, I have a dinette set that I use the two benches as my storage area, and the storage area is over here. And what I do is I collect these bags, you know, the bags that have people's names on, advertisement. And like, this is a sleeping blanket, my bathing suits, you know, some rags. I also put my clothes in baggies in case something gets wet, and it's just a lot easier to throw them in. My pajamas, my shirts for one of the days, my face cloth with soap, and I do use organic soap so that I'm not getting into the environment. And this is my bag that I keep all my coffee things in. So, Sisters on the Fly, oh yeah. And I am just putting everything together now to put in my sugar, my honey, because I'm going to be making some tea maybe at night, some coffee. And I collect these little bags here, which are great. This is sugar packets and creamer and things like that. And they're great because you can actually hang them on stuff, but just keep everything all together. And so I am about to do another craft. I've been doing all kinds of little crafts in the van, and it's been a lot of fun. My mom loved daisies, and somebody gave me a little daisy bucket, which right over here is my little toilet area, and there's the bucket. And don't know if you can see it, it's a daisy bucket. And so what I did was I put some daisies up. I had a girlfriend help me. We have some daisies on. I put the little crystal balls here, little crystal hanging chandelier, and little daisies. And then I had put some lace up along the wall here, and I put on top of it, I put a little daisy applique. And so now I'm just going to pack all my bag up and stick it into my storage area. And then I'm going to show you how I put my screen door up. I have a screen door in the back area already, and I have to work on that eventually, but I just learned how to I bought a screen for a sliding porch door, and I'm just going to install that and show you how I did that. Alright, great. And like, I've just realized what everybody says is please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just click that button down below that says subscribe, and you'll get notifications if I post something. And I'm excited to go on this trip. I'll probably video the trip later, and we'll be back with the screen door. Alright, thanks.